Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this short guide I'll show you, step by step, how to transfer money from your Robinhood account to your LSSC Credit Union account using a desktop browser. Let's get started. First, open your browser and sign in to Robinhood.com with your secure login. Next, check your available cash or transfer section so you know how much you can move. If you haven't linked your LSSC Credit Union account yet, add it now. Go to Transfers, link a bank or add external account, then enter LSSC Credit Union's routing number and your account number. You can also use Instant Bank Login if Robinhood offers it. Follow the on-screen steps to connect. After the bank is linked, go to Transfers, Transfer to Bank. Then enter the amount you want to send and choose the target account, LSSC Credit Union. Next, pick a transfer speed. Standard ACH is usually slower but free and can take 1 to 5 business days. Instant transfers may be available for a fee and are faster for smaller amounts. Then confirm the transfer and complete any required authentication, such as your password or two-factor code. After that, monitor both Robinhood and your LSSC Credit Union online banking for the deposit. Important note: if you're withdrawing proceeds from a recent sale, allow for trade settlement time, usually up to 2 business days, before those funds are withdrawable. Finally, save a screenshot or transaction ID for your records and check your balance once the deposit posts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.